10 exercises to lose your love handles. These exercises can help you get rid of your love handles and reduce belly fat. If your efforts with exercises like crunches, cardio, and side bends have been unsuccessful in getting rid of your love handles and stubborn belly fat, it could be a good idea to shake up your gym routine or begin a new one. The accumulation of belly fat around your midsection, commonly known as love handles, is often a sign of poor overall health. To help you achieve a slimmer torso, we consulted a physique expert who shared his top 10 favorite exercises for getting rid of love handles. The reason why this workout is efficient is that it is high intensity and aims to work on both the rectus abdominis and transverse abdominis muscles. Simply doing crunches and sit-ups won't suffice to burn fat. You need to engage your entire body to trigger a thermogenic state that accelerates the process of fat loss. Achieve your desired body shape by performing these 10 exercises that will effectively sculpt your core in a short amount of time. It's recommended that you incorporate these exercises into your weekly workout routine once a week, while also including individual exercises in your regular strength and conditioning regimen. On the remaining days, engage in high-intensity interval training at least thrice a week. It's also essential to maintain a healthy diet, as the saying goes, abs are made in the kitchen. Sledgehammer overhead strike. Sets, 3. Reps, 20. Grab the sledgehammer with your left hand on the bottom and your right hand near the hammer. Raise the sledgehammer above your head and over your right shoulder, and then bring it down toward the center of a tire, similar to chopping wood. Switch sides. Plank. Sets, 4. Duration, 30 seconds. Perform the plank face down on a mat with your feet together. Lift your hips off the ground and support your body weight on your forearms and toes, maintaining a neutral spine and a tight core. Russian twist. Sets, 4. Reps, 15. Sit on the floor with both legs bent and feet on the ground. Extend arms straight out holding a weight or medicine ball. Lower your upper body back until your back is at a 45-degree angle to the floor. Rotate your arms from side to side, twisting your upper body. Make sure not to lift or move your feet. Deadlift. Sets, 4. Reps, 10 to 15. Stand with the bar above the center of your feet. Your stance should be a bit more narrow than shoulder width to give your arms room. Grab the bar overhand, bend through your knees until your shins hit the bar, which must remain above the middle of your feet. Keep your shoulder blades directly over the bar. Pull, keeping the bar close to your body, roll it over your knees and thighs until your hips and knees are locked. Battle rope wave. Sets, 4. Duration, 30 seconds. Rest, 30 seconds. Stand with your feet hip distance apart, your knees and hips slightly bent, and your core locked in. Grip the ends of the rope in both hands, allowing your arms to hang straight down at the center of your torso. Lower yourself into a half squat. In a single movement, explode your body upward, extending your knees and hips as you swing your arms up over your head. Immediately return to start and continue the movement. Box jump. Sets, 4. Reps, 20. Stand in an athletic position, with your feet shoulder width apart, at a comfortable distance from the box. When you're ready to jump, drop quickly into a quarter squat, then extend your hips, swing your arms, and push your feet through the floor to propel yourself onto the box. Kneeling vacuum. Duration, 1 minute. Kneel on the floor and sit back with your butt on your heels. Place hands on the sides of your legs. Pull your shoulders back, then pull your abs in as if trying to touch your belly button to your spine. Hold the vacuum for 20 or more seconds, then maintain the contraction for 1 to 2 seconds, alternating contractions and releases. Two-handed kettlebell swing. Sets, 4. Reps, 20. Stand up straight, with feet a bit wider than hip distance apart. Grab hold of the handle with both hands, keeping your palms face down and arms in front of the body. Maintain a slight bend to the knee and drive the hips back, lowering the body, but not too low. This isn't a squat. Then, in a fluid motion, explosively drive the hips forward while swinging the kettlebell, keeping the glutes and core engaged. Jumping burpee. Sets, 4. Reps, 15. Start standing with your feet together. Bend at the knees and waist and place the palms of your hands on the ground. Kick your feet backward so that you are in a plank position. Kick your feet back in, stand back up, and immediately jump in the air. Land on your feet. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.